How to use vouchers on SHEIN. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. SHEIN keeps on giving you different vouchers that you can use while shopping. So in this video we will be simply walking you through the process to find those vouchers and use them. So first thing first, open SHEIN on your device. And here on bottom right hand side of your screen you will see this option Me. So tap on it. And then here on top left hand side of your screen you will see your profile name. So right below it you will see this option Vouchers. So tap on it. And here you will find all the vouchers that are available on your account. So here to use it. So now to use these vouchers, on right hand side of each voucher you will see this option called shop. So simply tap on it. And there you go. Now you will see this product page. So simply select the product that you want to shop. You can even customize the product by tapping on these options located on top of your screen like sort, category, size and filter. So simply select whatever options you want and then select the item and then simply tap and go to checkout on bottom of your screen. And once you do that, you will see all the items that you have added on your cart. So simply finish the shopping process. So this is how you can find and use vouchers on SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.